What's up, y'all? So AUXITO reached out to me and they wanted me to review a couple of LED bulbs that they offer. Let's turn the camera. So I told them I had a couple of cars that I could use LEDs on. Notably, they sent me both the front, which is this. You can see it has both the amber and it's a switchback basically, both the amber and the clear. So daytime running lights. Sorry about my daily nails. I've been working on the car a lot lately. Let me zoom this out a little bit. But yeah, this is a switchback. This is for the front. If you look here, it tells you that amber white switchback. It tells you the size. That's the size for the Tacomas on the front. Technically the same size on the back, except the back is all amber because you don't need no switchback over there. These have like a resistor in there, so it's supposed to be error free, so you shouldn't have that hyper flash where your turn signals flashes and blinks real fast. So these have this built in. So I'm gonna try to get an install video just to show you guys how it is, and we'll go from there. All right, so let's do some unveiling just to see what they look like. I'm sure you guys don't want let's see. First impression, pretty good quality. Looks pretty good. And looks like it has a fan. I think that's what it looks like on the front, which probably helps cool down this light a little bit. That's what the back looks like. The rear, similar design, just amber all around, and then looks like a fan right in front. Alright, so here's my old one. This side works perfectly fine. It blinks all around. All the LEDs on the sides, as you can see inside, have gone bad. Only the front one blinks. I'm gonna try to put this AUXITO one in and see how it goes compared to the brightness. So this is what the white looks like on my old brand. Alright, so I just installed the AUXITO right now. I ain't gonna lie to you, it is quite bright despite not having that front LED like the other one has, but look at the comparison. This is daytime. Yes, that one you can see it, but it's not as bright compared to that. So let's turn on the amber. So this is, wow, the amber has a very rich deep orange color to it. This is the old one. It's doing a switchback because I have the parking lights on and the hazards on, but the AUXITO brand just has it on straight up amber, no switchbacks. Let's see how it looks actually when I fire up the truck. Alright, so with the truck running, you can see the richness in amber, yes. But as I said, AUXITO deep orange compared to my old one. I'm gonna try to turn the headlights on and see if I can get, or to see the difference between the switchback, which is the white. Alright, so AUXITO, really, it fills up. It has a very deep color to it, like compared to that one, looks very fainted. I'm gonna turn the hazard so we can see the switchbacks. Actually, let me do the turn signal first. That is the old version with switchbacks. Now let's go to AUXITO after this. AUXITO stays just amber, and obviously it flashes. Okay, so AUXITO on the left, passenger side, my old brand over there. You can see the richness in the AUXITO brand. Alright, both of them are changed. See how deep and full the housing has all the LED lights in. This is the AUXITO brand, by the way, on both sides. So here's the back side. It's just a regular filament bulb. Alright, so I got the AUXITO in here, and geez, I wish you guys could see how bright this is. Like, my shirt is literally glowing. I'm wearing a white shirt, but just because I just had to touch this car. It's got my hands all dirty. This truck, I should say. But can you see the reflection of the amber? It almost feels like this thing projects far, and that's the stock one, regular filament bulbs. But yeah, AUXITO, thumbs up. All right, I got AUXITO on both front and rear. AUXITO on the front too. That's a very deep orange. I really like it. Shout out to AUXITO. Alright, before I end this video, just because remember I mentioned it has a resistor, like a chip in it, it avoids hyperflash. That is AUXITO right there in the front. No hyperflash. See, the rear is still flashing normal.